guys, I've been sick with either the flu or COVID, so I haven't done much lately. I've been working on this like 15 minutes here, 15 minutes there, but today I'm going to put it together. This is a pallet that I cut in half. There's half's going to be the top, going to be the bottom. I just removed the slats and reorganized them. I did try something new with a little handheld propane torch to give it some character and not look as bland and plain. And then I took another pallet that I had with scraps, took these out, cut them into 4 sections. I think they're 16 or 18 inches long that I'm going to use as the leg. I've already pre-drilled my holes, so hopefully they won't crack. But let's start putting my little pallet coffee table together and see if it turns out the way I hope so. Got more free screws at my parents' house before I got sick. So again, so far invested into this project, just time. I gotta go get another battery. Be right back. Gotta go switch. Wait, we just got another drill. Come on, buddy. Now we all have the family we're born with, and then we have the family of friends that we get as we get older. And my second family is Pinoy. And so this table I'm giving to one of them. And as you can tell, I'm rocking my white Pinoy today. I made this when I went and saw Joe Coy at the Tacoma Dome. So I'm just channeling my inner Pinoy today while I finish this table. When I was burning that, I burnt these two. I kind of like it. I'm still learning how to use the little handheld torch, but I like it. Alright, time for the top. I love this. I really do. I don't know if it's to scale or perfect, but if you know the Filipino flag, you know it looks enough like it. I'm digging. You just gotta screw it. Hopefully I have enough screws. Again, they're free from my dad. Strength that I should after being sick. But I'm tired of being idle and not doing anything productive. Fudge, that wasn't good. I did drill these ahead of time. I need the smaller one. Oh, I don't like that. Square. One more leg. Almost. That's our neighborhood cat Shadow that we adopted, or she adopted us. We got her fixed, kept some of her babies. We still are outside during the day. She's the boss. Fix that. Phillips. Stuck together. Oh yeah, outdoor coffee table, Pinoy style. Which I think not too bad. Top looks beautiful. Got a shelf to set your feet on, for their dog to sit on. But for first time making a coffee table, I love it. And again, it was just a pallet that I cut in half. And then I took a leg from another pallet. So I needed 2 pallets to do this for free, to make the legs. And then my husband has some in the garage. So I'm just gonna put some Thompson water seal on it, which I think is probably like 10, 15 bucks if I was to go buy it in the store. So 15 bucks for an outdoor coffee table to surprise a friend with, still a pretty good deal. Here, let's check it out. See, there's the top. I just had that board on the ground so that'd be level-ish. Gotta sand that one bottom thing. Bottom leg. But not too bad, I'd say. I love it. I kind of want to keep it, but I don't need one yet. So when I do have a place for one, I can whip up another with a pallet. So yeah, if I could do it, then almost anybody can do it. Thanks again, guys.